Simon, you just assured me that I could speak.
You'll sit down inside the car. We're not assuring anything. We're under arrest.
Look, I'm under what?
Come on.
Gentlemen, this is Democracy Manifest. Have a look at the headlock here. See that chap over there? Get your hand off my penis! This is the bloke who got me on the penis before. Get some cups.
I've been listening. My ears been to the streets. And there's been a lot of people out there talking trash, chirping my last cooking video, calling it, quote, gross and disgusting, calling my recipe even wet. And while most of these criticisms have come from me, I had to respond. I couldn't take it sitting down. So here is a response cooking video. It's actually a tribute video to a true hero of mine, a freedom fighter, Mr. Charles Dozo.
Why did you do this? Hop in the car. Get some cups. For what reason? What is the charge? Eating a meal? A succulent Chinese meal? Oh, that's a nice headlock, sir. Oh, yes. I see that you know your judo well.
Alright, you're going to start out, get your burner going in a small saucepan here. You're going to add 3/4 cups of sugar. You're going to go 3/4 cup vinegar, white vinegar. Get that heating up. And another cup, I have 1/3 cup soy sauce and 1/4 cup water, I believe. Get yourself a, oh geez, that's, a little mixy mix, get that going. I'm gonna bring that up to a boil and then a simmer. So we'll get that heating up. I think that's everything. And while that's working, we'll start getting some of this chicken ready. I've already pre-prepped some of it, just so this doesn't take too long. Oh, actually, forgot a step. We want to go half an orange into there too. Do half an orange, and bring that up to like a boil. Already smells pretty good. Cool. So while that's working, we're gonna I'm gonna show you how I'm prepping this chicken. Gotta use chicken thighs, no chicken breasts. It's just better. You wanna take some of your chicken breasts here and throw it in a mixture of 2-to-1 cornstarch to flour. So for example, you do 1 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup flour, and you can scale that however you need it. So we're gonna throw that in there. Once you get it initially breaded, I want you to have a bowl with some beaten eggs. Throw them in there. Get these bad boys coated in the eggs. Now a lot of people be preaching the like wet hand, dry hand technique. That's too complicated for my smooth brain to do, so I just kind of do it like this, like a savage, and my hands get all sticky. And then these go back into your flour and cornstarch mixture. There. Get that breaded up. Get that breaded up. So I want these coated real well. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay, Google. Cook mode.
Next stop, Flavortown.
Okay, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna wash the old hands. Right. Let's see. Oh, by the way, you're gonna want to get yourself a big old jug of coffee while you're doing this for extra fuel. Okay. We're gonna go check on the stove in a second. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and click this donate button. My credit card information is already filled out to the Vera Institute of Justice in solidarity of our friend Doza. They're a great organization that works on prison reform. Good. Donated. Let's see. We're gonna check the temp of our oil. We want it pretty hot. We're gonna go aim for about 375, but I'm not too crazy about it. Definitely overshot it there, so we'll turn the stove down and then drop our chicken. There we go. Woo, woo, woo. Cool. Our chicken's going. I'm gonna stir our sauce up a little bit. Good. Need to wash my hand again. This is really difficult to do with one hand. Cool. So our chicken is cooking. That sauce is coming up to a boil. We're looking good. Let this chicken go for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes. My stove is a little hot right now, but I don't want to wait. Just don't overcook it. You want it like a light golden brown. You don't want to dry it out. It'll be disgusting. Overcooked chicken makes me sad. All right. Always clean up while you're cooking too. Cool. All right. While we're waiting for these to cook, we're gonna bust out the old wok here. Get us a little stir fry going. Let's get these plastic utensils off of the hot stove. All right. I say get that wok kind of ripping. All right, ready for some athleticism? Always store your oil in a high place. Keep yourself guessing. Just do a little splashy splash. And your wok. Get that going. Get that heating up. I'm sure this camera moving around so much is making you nauseous. I'm sorry. Hey, Google. Half volume. Let's turn that down.
Wild immigrants, my grandparents learned English.
All right. So we got our sauce. We got our chicken going. Our wok is heating up. I guess while we're waiting, I think it would be good. See what else we got on here. Oh, that'll be good. Let's see. We can read the ACLU policy priorities here. Get ourselves a little educated. In solidarity to Charles, of course. All right, let's go back to our cooking here. So our wok is heating up. We're gonna make a little stir fry noodles. This is a good chance to just use whatever vegetables you have in your kitchen there. So go ahead and just drop that. I don't really care too much. Maybe it needs to be a little bit hotter. And just start cooking those down. Don't matter. All right, so our sauce is now boiling. We're gonna reduce that to a cool simmer. Let that simmer and reduce down and thicken up a little bit. Our veggies are starting to cook out here. This is kind of just free-balled. I'm just letting these guys cook for a while. I think that this chicken is pretty much done, so we'll go ahead, cut the heat on that. Take this out. It's always good to try to put it on I'm running out of real estate here, but put it on a surface where it can kind of drain. It maintains the crispiness. That looks pretty good. Cool. So we got that working. Our sauce is cooking down. Maybe bring that heat back up a little bit. Let's see. Now, what you want to prepare is, I need to remix it, is a little slurry. About 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon water. And what that's going to do, yeah, we need more water in there, is we'll throw it in the sauce there and it'll thicken it up. I need to kind of mix it a little bit better. I'm just gonna throw it in now. Scoop. Slurry in there. That should help thicken the sauce up. And now we just need some time on that. Okay, sauce is still reducing. Our veggies are getting there. For our wok, I'm gonna do a little dash of soy sauce. And some sesame oil. Now this stuff has like a really strong taste, so I would go a little easy on that. A little soy sauce, a little sesame oil, and then it smells pretty good. We can go ahead. Oops. Get our noodles. Just get packaged noodles. I mean, come on. Who are we kidding? Get those puppies cooking. Spoon's really heating up. Maybe if I would spoon up. So we'll start cooking those noodles, stir frying them. See how our sauce is doing, reducing down, getting a little thick. We want to try to reduce it by about half if we can. That's got a good heat. Stir fry this in. Okay, so our sauce is pretty thickened up and reduced. So what we're gonna do is kill the heat. We're gonna take a nice mixture of ginger paste and garlic, fresh garlic in there. Way too much garlic. That's how you want it. And then just get that mixed in. Get your aromatics going. You do not want to burn your garlic. And then you want to throw just some orange zest in there too. So we'll get that, let that kind of just steep. Let those flavors kind of mix and mingle. And while that's going, and our stir fry is pretty good. Pretty much done. I have the heat on low. We're gonna take our chicken, get it sauced. Actually, I forgot to do this here. Before we sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of gochujang, a little Korean chili paste, just add a little kick. And then let's throw in, kind of open the bottle, a splash of rice vinegar, just for fun. Add a little extra tang. All right, get yourself a BFB and throw your chicken in there, and then just go ahead and drizzle on however much sauce you think is appropriate. I'm just gonna use all of it. Smells pretty good. Get these bad boys mixed up, coated fully. Cool. So now we have some orange chicken, and we have some lo mein cooked up. And then I'm gonna start heating up a flour tortilla in the microwave. Just a few seconds. To make it pliable. We'll go ahead, throw on some of our lo mein. That's probably too much. Let's see, we'll do that. Get some of your orange chicken in there. right. And you all know this part. Go ahead and fold your burrito. Oh boy, we're overloaded. We're gonna make it. Okay. Excellent. All right, so you're gonna get a little butter heating up in your pan, and I need 2 hands for this. Give me 1 moment. All right, so we got our burrito plated up. Just a few finishing touches here. I'm gonna drizzle some of that leftover orange sauce on her. Out of our BFB. We're gonna do just a little bit of sriracha. Keep it loose. I took some of the chicken skin off of the thighs, fried them up. Little chicken thigh, little chicken skin garnish. Little scallions, always good. And maybe a little bit more orange zest. And there we go. Orange chicken burrito.
And you, sir, are you waiting to receive my limp penis? Now, get your hands off me.
Oh, we've only got one cup.
Ta-ta and farewell.
So I guess getting it done.
1 cup, look. Laban.